Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Robin, and if you are returning, thank you for tuning in to this video. So as you can tell by the title, this is a grocery haul, kind of what I buy to stay healthy and fit. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I just got back from the grocery store. I just got back from Whole Foods. The first thing I got are these Brussels sprouts. These are trimmed Brussels sprouts. Baby spinach. This is great for smoothies or sauteing it up with your eggs. This bread, this is the bread that I buy. It's a Little Northern Bakehouse whole grain wide slice gluten-free bread. Then I got a bunch of shots, so I will literally just show you each shot as I take it out of the bag because they're different. This is the Wellexer lemon honey and ginger shot. Then I got this cut up mango, and I got some cut up papaya. I got some cut up pineapple. So lots of fruit. It's summertime. I love my fruit. I got this fiery ginger shot from Greenhouse. Another lemon honey shot. This green juice, this is also from Greenhouse, called the Gatsby. It is cucumber, apple, spinach, ginger, kale, and lemon. I just got one almond vanilla yogurt because I already have a brand new coconut yogurt, so I just needed one this week. Got the Silk Almond hazelnut coffee creamer because I've been using the Coffee Mate Bliss caramel coffee creamer. So I used to use this one all the time. So I don't know why, but these bags are huge. I got 3 lemons, 1 whole mango, a bunch of bananas. And I picked up these. So these are strawberry fruit bars. It's my first time trying them. Just all natural strawberry fruit bars. Those will be good for dessert. 2 packages of ground turkey. 2 big things of watermelon. More fruit, of course. I love, as I said, I love fruit in the summertime. 3 of these. So these are just dried mango, Solar Gold Premium dried fruit. So this is all dried mango. I'm looking at my whole thing and I'm like, this is really healthy. Like, I naturally just eat really healthy. So got those. And then these are for my mom because I don't eat gluten, but these are just some spinach wrap. This is just my water that I brought today. And then I just also got this big water, and that is everything I got. So I'm gonna flip you around and do a little overview. Okay, so to recap, this is everything I got. Don't mind my messy kitchen at the moment, but that is everything I bought. A lot of stuff. So I'm gonna put this away, and I will talk to you guys in a bit.